And Birdie's cuddling with me.
Look, I got you.
No, you're not. I'm not worried about you. I'm worried about this one. Can't you be sweet like the other boy?
Look.
Now she's trying to eat her foot. Ooh, it'd be nice to do.
No, eating the shirt.
And put your hand
No, eating the shirt. Put your wing up.
He's the
Put your wing
good
up.
boy.
Come on, put your
I'm
wing up.
too young. I'm too old to be playing with you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna cut this table open.
Okay, Carly, that's just great.
Daddy, because Tinkerbell eyes are.
That's it. Kill Tinkerbell.
Oh,
Oh, you're so sweet. No.
She's not happy with that.
It's not yours. Give me it.
She wasn't happy with that.
Here's a little necklace that
Yeah, earlier I did it.
brother's about to eat.
Well, any other time she does like to be flipped.
Come here, Colin.
I'm gonna kill.
Colin, what are you eating? No.
I'm gonna
What
chop
are you
this
eating?
necklace off. I'm gonna chop this necklace off.
The wings up.
I'm gonna chop this necklace.
Do Pretty Bird.
Do Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird.
Pretty
Puffed
Bird.
up like that.
I'm gonna cut Tinkerbell's eyes off.
No eating the shirt. No. Of course, where did you get this shirt at?
And
Foot Locker?
So I never saw the ones with the pressed on like that.
I saw the one that you had, the polka dot one, but it was like a lot brighter.
Righter.
She wants your attention. She's getting mad.
Like, you know the one that you have all different colors? Like, it didn't look faded. I think it was pressed on. So it was like bright. All the polka dots in different colors.
It's probably because it was new.
Huh?
It's probably because it was new. No, I gotta
so
get
nice. You're so sweet.
I'm gonna get a pair of the old school. It's just the white with black
You're Tinkerbell.
stripes.
Tinkerbell never did anything to you.
So pretty.
Pretty bird. Pretty
So
bird.
pretty.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
I'm fixing her.
We should just give her a kiss and stop being mean.
Oh, do pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. No, eating the shirt. No. You're not allowed to eat the shirt. No. No.
Oh, kissy kissy.
I
Gentle.
just punched both of them in their face. Ew, Colin, that's dirty.
Good.
Oh,